AIPL, the Peaceful Homes, are premium residences located at Sector 70A, Gurugram. This entire project is spread over 11 acres with lush green surroundings, comprising of 2, 3 and 4 BHK premium apartments in a very peaceful location. Some key features of this project are landscape drop-offs for each tower to create a grand sense of arrival with fully air-conditioned lobbies. In addition to the multiple themed gardens and kids' play areas, each apartment offers an uninterrupted view of the landscape. Protecting people's health and safety is of utmost importance at AIPL. Therefore, we have to be extra cautious to ensure safer environment for all residents. We are running our operations efficiently and effectively to serve you all in a rapid changing environment. In line with action taken by center and state governments, we have stepped up our standard operating protocols to reduce the risk. At main entry, we are following a strict protocol where everyone entering the premises is undergoing a thermal scanning and all cars entering in the building are getting sanitized. While entering the tower lobbies, we can see a signage mentioning on the glass door to avoid gathering of more than 5 people in common areas and to maintain 6 feet distance. In lift lobbies, we can see clear instructions that maximum of 2 persons in a lift are allowed at a time. There are safe zone signages on the floor asking people to stand on them to maintain distance while going to their respective apartment floors. The lifts are being treated by Germ Shield for protection against the virus. Please sanitize your hands if you have touched the lift buttons. We are ensuring that there is no inconvenience to our residents with these measures, and we request your cooperation in our endeavor. Thank you for being part of our safer residences and making us stronger to stand firm in these tough COVID times.